we just got done filming one video, and now we're going to film another. This is actually a video I tried to film a while back, and then it just, too much craziness, too much commotion, did not work out. So, we're going to try to film it again, since we already have it out. Anyway, so if you have a child who is trying to learn money, I would recommend any of these tips that I'm about to share with you. The first is, if you go on Pinterest, you can find so many songs. And one of them I found was the money song.
Can I sing it?
We're not going to sing it. But it does let you know how it's kind of like a cute little rhyme. It will rhyme how you can remember a penny and a nickel, a dime, and a quarter, and how much they are worth. So this is something I highly recommend. This is what I started with. And then we moved on to these cards. These cards I picked up at the Dollar Tree. And what I like about them is it kind of just shows you what the front and back of the coins look like, or the dollar bills, and it gives you a little bit of information about it. So I do think that's really cool and really neat. Then it has here like the amounts, and then if you go to the back, it tells you what the correct amount will be, and vice versa for the other side. The last thing we do is my husband picked this money stuff up from Amazon, and we have all the dollar bills, $1 through 20, and the quarter, nickel, dime, and pennies. And then instead of me having to think of a amount for my kid to learn or come up with, I have saved my receipts. Now the receipt saving started when my husband was trying to keep track of things, but then he got over that, and instead of throwing them away, I decided to keep them for school purposes and learning purposes. So, okay, the reason I like doing the receipt is because it allows my kids to learn how to read a receipt. So, what she does is she picks one out of the bag, and we'll play with it, we'll have fun with it. Sometimes I'll be like, okay, where'd we go today? Did we go out to eat? Did we go shopping? How much did we spend? How much was that bread specifically? How much was the butter? So it helps them to not only get the subtotal of the receipt, but it can also break it down and show them how much each individual item costs. I don't have to come up with a total. It is right there for them, and she can just take it away. So as soon as she is done sorting, which it looks like she's almost there, we will demonstrate a couple of these just to kind of show you how we do it. So Lily, while you're sorting, can you tell me how much a dime is worth?
A dime? 10.
Good. And where is the dime?
The dime? Right here.
Good job. What about a penny? And
1.
Good. How about a nickel?
5, right here.
Right there, yep. And how about the quarter?
25.
Yep.
I haven't started sorting them out, but it's right here. Okay, all done sorting.
All right. So which one do you want to do first? The receipt or the card? Why don't we do the cards?
Okay.
All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick one out. And what I do is I cover the corner. And that way it's easy for her to be able to look at. She is able to count without having to look at the thing or the total
14.
from the other side. Good job, 14. And now that she's gotten that total, I can hand her the card, and she can think of the total from there. And I like the cards also because it's great for her to take with her when we go travel places, when we go to restaurants or the store or wherever, if we're in the car for a while. She can take these cards.
$41.11.
She can take these cards and she can practice her she can practice her money skills. All right, Lily, let's do one more.
One more card and then these?
Yep. Let's do
Mommy.
this one.
Mommy, did you know I love money?
I do know that. All right, how much is this one?
Okay. $3. Hold on.
$3.87. Good job. All right, what about this one?
$2.09.
Good. All right, so that kind of just shows you how we do the card. On to the receipts.
Where's the receipt? Oh no, we didn't sort out the...
Okay, so now we're going to do the receipt. We'll do just a couple of the receipt, and then that'll wrap up this one.
This is a long receipt.
Yeah?
Not very long. Not very long to what you usually get.
All right, so we went to a restaurant, and how much did we spend?
What's the total?
So this one will be the tax, the tender credit.
$14.47.
Yep. So can you give me $14.47?
Yep.
Okay. 11.
14 cents?
$14.
Oh, $14. That's what I'm doing. Okay.
Okay, now I need 47 cents.
There's a bunch of different ways you can do this, but I'm going to do it like this.
Oh.
$0.47.
Good job. You've got $14 here. You've got 25, 35, 40, 45, 46, 47. Nice work. And as she did say, it is very interesting to see how she would come up with the change versus how I would have come up with the change.
Okay, what's the total?
Shopping and spent how much?
I don't know.
Well, right here's all our items. And that's,
Subtotal.
there you go.
$40.31.
Thank you. I'll take that.
What? $40 and what? 31 cents?
Yep.
Oh my gosh, I got a good memory. Okay, so 25, 30, 40.
No,
40.
31 cents.
Oh, 31 cents.
Okay.
There's actually a bunch of different ways I could have done that.
Now I need $40.
$40? Okay. There's a bunch of ways I could have done this one too.
Good job. You're doing really well with this.
Yeah, there's actually a bunch of ways I could have done this one too.
All right. Are you done or do you want to do one more?
One more.
One more. Okay. We went shopping again.
Total is $47.57.
Good. Did you notice this where it says our savings from
Yeah.
specials at the store? How much did we save there?
$9.88.
Yeah. And then our total savings since the beginning of the year was what?
$475.02.
Yep. How about my $47.57?
What's your 225 cents?
Is that done?
Hold on, wait.
Oh.
How much was the total?
57 cents is what it looks like you're trying to come up with right now.
Oh yeah, then it's done.
Okay, I'll take that. I need $47, please. Okay. That's a 10, honey.
Oh.
It's mixed in with all your ones. Do you want me to hold these? Let me see.
How many are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, she did it. She gave me my $47.57.
And let's clean up now.
All right, guys. Well, that was that. And like I said, I would highly recommend any of these tips. I started with the paper that I got off Pinterest. Then I moved to the money cards, which would be great for traveling or just sitting around on your couch or anytime in the car, at restaurants, at stores, wherever. And then we moved on to using actual play money. And instead of me coming up with totals, I use the receipts. So that is what I do to help my kids, and I will be working with my son the same way I worked with my daughter, because as you can see, it is really helping. So I hope this helps. Comment down below any more ideas you may have to help with money, and we will see you guys next time.
Bye!
Oh,